Do you want to boost and rank your products on Walmart? Sponsored products offer businesses like yours a cost-effective way to sell products. These paid ads will appear in search results, product pages, and category pages on Walmart to help your company reach and convert. Get in front of Walmart customers when they're actively searching for products like yours. Search ads appear in prominent high traffic spots in search results and on browse pages. This is Anis from Ecomclips. I will be showing how you can create your ad campaigns on Walmart and where your advertised products will appear. Let's move on to the screen. To create your first campaign on Walmart, you have to log into your account and go to Ad Center. Walmart recently added this menu in the Seller Central tab, but before we had to log in separately. Please note that in order to advertise with sponsored products, you must be a Walmart supplier or marketplace seller. As a Walmart supplier, you will create and use a Walmart.com account to access the platform. And as a marketplace seller, you will use your Seller Central credentials. We also have to remember that if we have eligibility requirements fulfilled, those are product is in stock may vary by store, product must win the buy box, product is a base item. Now, campaign dashboard. The campaign dashboard will provide you with a high-level overview of all your campaigns and their performance. This is also where you will be creating new campaigns. After that, you will find option to create the campaign you want. Now, click Create New Campaign. Now, you can either choose manual bidding or automatic bidding. Manual bidding allows you to place individual CPC bids for each keyword related to the SKU set. Your ads will show up on search and item pages. Manual bidding gives you more control over your campaign, whereas automatic bidding allows you to place a CPC bid at a SKU or ad group level. Walmart will choose the most relevant keywords for your SKU set. Your ads will show up on all pages. Automatic bidding is a quick and easy way to set up your campaign. Let's select automatic bidding first. Now click Next. You need to give a campaign name here. The date is automatically selected, or you may select the date from here. Now you have to give a total budget, which is the amount you want to spend totally. Later, you may update the total budget. And here to give the daily amount you want to spend against your campaign. Click Next. You can now select different placement that will increase your visibility based on your spend decision, or you may skip this step. Then click again Next. Now to give an ad group name, click Next. Now is the time to add your item. You may use your item code or title to search for your desired product that you want to advertise. An item is added to this ad group now. You need to set bid that you want to spend for each click of your buyer. Finally, you can save, and later you may schedule for running the campaign. For creating manual bidding, you have to follow almost similar procedure as you do for automatic bidding till you add products to ad group. Then you need to add keywords to your campaigns and bid against each keyword. You can add keywords and bid them for 3 match type: exact, phrase, broad. You will have to bid at least 30 cents for each keyword. You can later increase if needed. Finally, save for scheduling the campaign. Now you know how you can create your first campaign in Walmart. Let's see where ad will show when your campaigns start running. Sponsored products on Walmart appear in 3 locations: search results, category pages, product or item pages. Your sponsored products ads can display on Walmart's mobile and desktop site. If you want to know more about Walmart campaigns, don't hesitate to ask any questions. You may visit our channel and website for thousands of engaging and beneficial content. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Ecomclips. Thank you.